Have you ever been put on the spot by your boss, wanting a certain piece of information out of a whole range of data? I'm Tina Palmgren with Excelling Your Business, and I'm here to tell you that we can quickly get information out of a bunch of data using an Excel table with filters and get that piece of information quickly and easily, making you look like the hero to your boss. Let's get to it and show you how we can do it. So right here we have an Excel table. I know this is a table because when I'm on it, I get a table design tab. So if I'm on the home tab, it's still there, table design. If I click off of that table, it goes away. So say your boss wants to know how much did we sell to Zippies. So you can either unselect all these or you can just start typing here. And I just did a Z and Zippies is in there. So we can go look, and we said we sold $1,240 worth of liquor to Zippies. In this case, this is actually beer, not liquor. So that's what we sold. We sold stuff to them on October 29th and November 27th. So this was just 3 months out of the last ending of the year. But what if we wanted to know what we sold on a specific date? So we can unselect all these. We can select October, and let's go to the 9th. I'll just try a date. And we can say we sold $16,824 worth of beer that day to 3 or 4 different vendors. And because this is filtered to that date, when I click on the other filters, it's only showing me the people that are active within this filtered group. So remember when I clicked on went to find Zippies, it had a whole huge list, and I can show you that very quickly. I'm going to go to the data tab and I'm going to clear my filters. Now if I click on that little drop down again, see how long this list is? So what I had done was I clicked on the date, unselected them all, and I clicked on October 9th. So again, now look at this drop down. It's only showing what is here. So what if you wanted to know just the wine thief on that day? So that day we sold $215 worth to them. I can come and clear this filter, and then I get more because now I cleared that date filter. We also sold to them on October 29th and November 27th for a total of $627. I do want to point out one thing over here. I did a test, and this was Excel puts in a total row for you. And if you look up here, it says equals subtotal 109 BBLS. Well, this test column is doing the exact same thing. However, it's using the sum function that so many of us are used to using. But look at the difference in what that is doing. It went from 0.84 to 1,792.20. When I highlight this, I'm still at 0.84. So it's what this is doing is looking at the entire data set. Whereas the subtotal function, when you use that formula, it is only looking at the visible data. That is huge if you want the right amount. So try and play with a filter and see what they can do for you. It's going to make you the hero in the office. I would love it if you would want to learn more about this and it makes sense to see how this can be applicable to your business. I would love to do a free 15-minute business analysis with you. The bit.ly link is right here, and you can type it in. It'll go directly to my calendar to schedule a free, absolutely free 15-minute calendar appointment to see if we are a good fit to work together. I love helping small businesses be better, make their jobs simpler, and get more done in less time. So if that sounds good to you, I'd love to check it out with you. Again, Tina Palmgren with Excelling Your Business. Have a great day.